how to connect to an OData endpoint using Tableau and retrieve a SOCRATA dataset. First, click on the link I gave you to navigate to a dataset that is stored on the Miami Open Data Portal. Once you have access to the dataset, you can click on the three dots and then click on Access via OData. You want to copy this link and then go to Tableau Desktop. Under To a Server menu, you click on OData and then copy paste the link into the Server tab. Click on Sign In. We don't need no authentication. And once you click on Sign In, you're going to see the data source displayed in Tableau. Now, if you click on Sheet 1, you're ready to start plotting and analyzing your data. Here on the left, you see all the dimensions and the measures that have been retrieved from the server. If you want to know more about open data, go to the City of Miami Open Data Portal. There are a lot of datasets available, and you can just load any of them into Tableau by using OData.